Okay, this is closed loop system. This closed loop system contains G of S system, H of S feedback. It has only one reference input. R represents reference. Y represents controlled output. This is the component or present in this closed loop block. Okay. This block connected negative sequence loop or negative feedback loop. So we can get from negative feedback loop G of S output Y of S equal to G of S by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Input is R of S. This is the formula of here. This is negative feedback loop formula. Okay. If there is no any feedback occurred across this feedback connection, we can put H of S equal to 1. So this value substitute across this negative feedback loop in H of S. So we can get G of S by 1 plus G of S into R of S. Finally, we can get the error signal from this equation. So error signal formula is output by system. Output by system. Kindly watch my cursor moving on PPT. Okay. Y of S by this G of S equal to here no one data is there because G of S moving throughout this equation left hand side denominator. So we can get Y of S by G of S equal to 1 by 1 plus G of S into R of S. So Y of S by G of S called error signal or E of S. Okay. Next we will move in next step. If we need a reduce of error signal, we can get 1 plus G of S, H of S always greater than the value of 1. If we want to reduce the error signal from this closed loop system, you can always produce 1 plus G of S, H of S greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Representation of this explanation, we have moved with G H of S greater than 1. You put output affected only by the H of S because H of S is the feedback system to lift the output whichever produced by the system. Okay. So this connection over here to produced output equal to 1 by H of S R of S. Already we having open loop and closed loop system formulas. Del represent differentiation of output what the closed loop given across their working conditions. So del Y of S equal to del G of S into R of S. R of S is the input, G of S is system, Y of S is the output. Then we will get a closed loop transfer function of this closed loop connection. So Y of S plus differentiation of Y of S equal to G. That means system. G of S plus differentiation of G of S by 1 plus G. Representation of G we have to replace according their system G of S plus del G of S. Feedback system is H of S, input is R of S. You don't confuse students. Instead of G of S, you connected del G of S along with this G of S. Okay. So now we got G of S plus del G of S. We don't confuse. Only one data I were connected here. That data is del Y of S, del G of S. That's it. Don't confuse. Okay. Now we are ready to simplify this mathematical equations. According their simplification, del Y of S equal to del G of S by 1 plus G of S plus del G of S into H of S. This Y of S slightly move towards of this right hand side. Okay. So finally we will get GH of S greater than or equal to, not equal to, greater than del GH of S. Okay.